Hey y'all, so jumping right into today's video, I'm going to start off with my trusty tape as always, and I'm going to be using the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place and the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm also using these new makeup brushes I got from the crayon case. And to prime my eye, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, and yeah, I think it's in the color Fair. Okay, so the first color I'm going to be starting off with is this turquoise looking color from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to mainly focus it in my crease. Next, I'm going to be mixing these two black shades. One is just a little bit darker than the other, but yeah, and now I'm going to put that all over my lid. Alright y'all, so I'm going to be cutting my crease using the same concealer that I used to put the base down for my eyeshadow. Okay y'all, so I'm not the most precise when it comes to doing this, and I don't like when the concealer get on top of my lid, so I'm just blending it out with some more of that black color. And now I'm going in the Zulu palette to use this shimmery green color. Okay y'all, to moisturize my face, I'm using the First Aid Beauty Intense Hydration Cream. It's just a moisturizer, and yeah, I really like it, y'all. It's my favorite moisturizer. And I'm using the Smashbox primer. It's not my favorite, but it works pretty good. Alright, so I'm gonna be mixing two foundations, the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 356 and the Juvia's Place foundation in the color 310 Burkina, I think is what it's called. So yeah, the Juvia's Place one is a little bit brighter, so I like to mix them just to get a little warmer look. Okay y'all, so the brush I'm using to blend my foundation is from Morphe. I can't remember the name of it, but I go in with that one first because it makes the foundation have more coverage. A beauty blender kind of takes some of the product off, so I go in with the brush first, but I do go back in with a sponge or a beauty blender to make sure it's really blended. Now I'm using the Juvia's Place I Imagine concealer. I think it's in the color 10. Okay, now I'm going to be setting my face with the translucent powder from Beauty Bakery. I'm not sure how much of a fan I am of this, but it get the job done, I guess. Okay, so now I'm using the Black Radiance contour palette to contour my face, and I've mentioned this in my other videos. I am in no way, shape, or form an expert at contour, so don't come for me. And then right after this, I'm going to be using my blush from Tarte. Okay, so now I'm done with that. Before I put my lashes on, I'm going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Night Sun Spray. Y'all, this is like one of my staple makeup products. Like, I gotta have this spray. So, I went and put my lashes on and some lip gloss on off camera. And I'm going to be using this Luna Cosmetics highlighter to highlight my face and my nose. And I'm also going to do, like, my collarbone area. Alright, so the last step is to go back in with that shimmery green color, and I'm going to put it in my inner corner. Okay, y'all, so this is pretty much the end of the video. If y'all want to see how I got this hair color, check out my previous video. But if you like how this look came out, give my video a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe.